Wales has always been an outward-looking nation. The links that were forged during the Industrial Revolution, when Wales exported coal to the rest of the world, are still alive today, and that's evidenced by the vibrant and diverse communities that we have in our cities. Men and women from Wales volunteered at great personal cost to fight the fascists in the Spanish Civil War, and very many people came together across Wales in the struggle against apartheid. It was in that internationalist spirit 7 years ago that we launched our Wales for Africa programme as our contribution to the campaign to make poverty history and to deliver the UN Millennium Development Goals. It's been important to us that everything we do is of mutual benefit to both Wales and Africa. The benefits to individuals who travel to Africa are clear: greater problem-solving abilities, increased self-confidence and a better use of limited resources. But there have been benefits to wider Wales as well. The global economic crisis has demonstrated that we live in an interconnected and interdependent world. Over the past 7 years, we've supported more than 100 Wales-Africa community links. We've encouraged every Welsh local health board to link with hospitals and health projects in sub-Saharan Africa. We've supported over 90 Welsh managers and leaders to undertake work placements across Africa. We've encouraged half the schools in Wales to register with the Fair Trade Scheme. We've established a world-leading tree planting programme in Mbale, Uganda, which was recognised by the UN as one of the 10 Lighthouse projects. And of course, we become the world's first fair trade nation. This short film is a celebration of the vision and work of all those who've contributed to the Wales for Africa programme so far.
Here in Amloch on Anglesey, we have a strong link with Sankuya in the Gambia. We've been able to provide materials for schools, education sponsorship schemes, medical equipment, boreholes, and with the help of the Welsh Government, a state-of-the-art solar power system for a health centre so they can have uninterrupted power supplies for life-saving operations and treatments. Ours is just one of over 100 similar links between Wales and Africa, making a difference both here and there. It's changing lives forever.
Wales has a growing number of health links with sub-Saharan Africa. We aim to harness the expertise that exists in the NHS in Wales and share it with our African partners. It's incredible what can be done. We've trained hundreds of volunteers who work in their communities, encouraging the building and use of latrines and educating people on the need to wash their hands. Simply by providing clean water and soap, we could halve the number of deaths from diarrhoea, a bigger killer of children than HIV/AIDS, measles and malaria combined. The Welsh Government has issued guidance to all local health boards recommending they give their staff study leave to take part in such projects. It's wonderful that the Welsh NHS recognises how much we have to gain from this work. Problem-solving skills and multidisciplinary team working have both improved. We also come to really appreciate the resources that we have here.
I've been working with Gumatindo Fair Trade and Organic Coffee Cooperative for several years now, with the help of a Welsh Government grant. I've learned a tremendous amount, and while sharing my skills and expertise, I've been helping Gumatindo manage a period of rapid growth. I've worked with coffee farmers in the remote areas, helping them understand the benefits of being in a growing and effective co-op. I've also worked on the size of Wales' million tree planting project to alleviate the effects of climate change. Working with Gumatindo is an excellent example of the Welsh Government working with others to develop sustainable and fair trade rather than simply giving aid.
Getting organic certification, that is a very big achievement. Also fair trade certification. And we have attracted so many buyers from USA, German, UK, and our farmers benefit from the premium we get because we sell our coffee on the world market through the fair trade.
She's able to pay school fees for her children and she has some animals.
me, I look at the program of planting trees as the beginning of everything. So that's why we have created groups in the community, the purposes of sensitizing them about the goodness of planting trees.
Tools to Self-Reliance Cymru have for many years been collecting and refurbishing simple tools and shipping them to communities in sub-Saharan Africa. Thanks to a Welsh Government grant, we've been able to work with blacksmiths in Tanzania to help them to improve the quality of their tools. We sell these tools under fair trade terms here in Wales, often at festivals like this, where we also engage the public with our blacksmithing workshops.
I worked with Babessi Council in Cameroon through the Welsh Government's International Learning Opportunities programme. My task was policy advice. This was a life-changing experience for me, helping Babessi with processes to improve transparency and productivity. I have come back to Wales with a renewed sense of purpose and passion for social justice, and it spurred me on to start a master's degree course, which I know will enrich my understanding of sustainable development and help my career.
Community linking is not just for good times. Here in Hay we're linked with Timbuktu in Mali, and they suffered a coup in early 2012 which had a devastating effect on our friends out there. The people of Hay have responded to these difficulties with immense concern and generosity, and we know that the support and solidarity shown by Hay has been hugely appreciated by the people of Timbuktu at this time of crisis.
I'm proud of what we, the people of Wales, have achieved in such a short space of time. Our small country has had a positive impact on thousands of lives across Africa as we seek to become a nation of active global citizens. And I hope that more people will get involved in Wales for Africa projects.